Hi, guys. Welcome to our scene this week. So, our scene this week is a little bit of a hodgepodge. It started off with the theme of pajama day. So, I hit a wall where I was just like, I just want to wear pajamas all the time to work and at home and to teach in. And it was because, we're in that shifting of seasons where it's a little chilly and it's so cozy and snuggly when you're in a hoodie all day, and pajama pants. And I was in that mood when I started making this. And so I was like, all right, well, let me make my little Bitmoji character wear pajamas. So I put it in pajamas. I was like, well, I guess it needs to like sit on something cozy like a bed. So when I was looking for the background for my Bitmoji scene and I found a bed, the best one that I could find, like the brightest and lightest, was a hotel room. And then my mind said, oh my gosh, my kids love staying in hotel rooms. Who doesn't love staying in a hotel room? Well, parents might not. I like it. It's not horrible. But my kids love staying in hotel rooms. And I'm guessing that you might love staying in a hotel room too. So then I started creating this hotel room scene. And after a while, it just kind of spiraled. And this whole thing got away from me. But this is a great exploratory scene. So inside this scene, I've put all the different things that you might want when you're traveling, or that you might enjoy in your hotel room. And then one of my kids came in as I was doing this, like my personal kids, and said, well, where are you? I don't know. So then I had to decide where this scene was. And I've hidden something pretty small in the picture to tell you in my mind where this hotel room is. So I hope you have fun exploring the scene. There are 10 different things I'll walk you through real quick. So you just started on me. I don't think I counted me. Me might make 11. You've got the breakfast in bed tray. Let me tell you, my kids love some room service. You've got the teddy bear, a quilt, another teddy bear, a passport, some money, because you need a passport money if you're traveling to the place where I have picked, a suitcase, some luggage, a telephone, the calendar. Remember how we started that whole calendar link last week? So far, I have linked up I've linked up everything in September. I haven't started linking up things in October for you yet. So if you go into the October calendar and start trying to click on added links, there's nothing there yet. And then that one hidden thing that actually takes you to a really cool website where you can explore this. And it's a pretty cool, like, digital online field trip. So I hope you enjoy exploring that once you realize where we are. Um, the telephone I thought was really cool because a lot of us don't know how telephones have kind of evolved. And so the telephone link shows us how it evolves. The teddy bear link tells one of my favorite stories. It's actually how the teddy bear got its name. And then if you come over to this teddy bear is our resource for the week. So this is a little video that tells you how the teddy bear got its name. But there is a storybook that teaches you how the teddy bear got its name that I love. Okay, so if you click on this teddy bear, it's going to take you to our resources page. And the resource, so if you look on here, we have done every single one of these resources except for KidRex, which is just a kid search engine, kid friendly. The new resource on here today is Hoopla. So Hoopla does require an email address. It also requires that you have permission from your parents to do this. I don't want you to put your email address and put a password in, but it's really simple. You just have to put the email address in, create the password. Please do this with your parents. It will be the easiest if you do. And when you do that, log in. I don't think that's it. I think it's my email address. What was the number that I picked? See, this is I'm laughing because this is why you want your parents to help you set this up. What number did I pick? I don't want to start this recording over because I can't remember my password. Let me see if it's actually my password. Oh, yay, we don't have to start over. Look, we're going to save this. Passwords, guys. All right, so when you're in Hoopla, this is another place to go and check out books. But this limits you. So you not only can check out books, but you can check out audiobooks. You can check out music. You can check out music from Hoopla. So obviously you're seeing right now some musicals that you can check out videos, but we can get 6 borrows a month. We're limited to 6 because this is our free account through Charlotte Mecklenburg Libraries. And so I don't have anything currently borrowed. If I did, it would be shown here. And I still have 6 more titles to borrow because I haven't borrowed anything. So Hoopla, how do we do this? So I'm under Hoopla Kids. I want you to see the book that I am talking about, which is called The Legend of the Teddy Bear. Here is The Legend of the Teddy Bear. And I could click here and I could borrow it. So this is a picture book that tells the story that you're going to watch when you click the other teddy bear. And if you want, you can come in and you can borrow this book. But remember, you only get 6 borrows. So if this is not the borrow that you want, beware. You get 6 a month. So what? This month is almost up. I mean, I say borrow it. It's a great book. And then you can come back and you can rewatch it throughout the time that you have it borrowed. And then it gets turned back in. Okay, so that is Hoopla, which is a really cool resource. Now I'm going to hop out of that. And we're going to go back to... Here. We're going to go back here to our scene. And the last thing that I want to show you is the quilt. The other things I'm going to let you explore on your own. It's a game. I know you love it when I give you a game. Oh, my Flash player is blocked on this computer. It won't let me. Well, this is a game, and if your Flash player isn't blocked, I can't go through the unblocking process right now. If your Flash player isn't blocked on here, it's a really cool quilting game that makes you match patterns and figure out where the blocks and pieces need to go in order to complete the pattern. It's a great kind of mind organization game. It's really cool. So play the quilting game. See if you can figure out where we are. Check out Hoopla. Explore this scene. Stay nice and cozy in your PJs. And have a great week. Bye, guys.